Number 5. The Traxxas Spartan SR is a high-performance RC boat engineered for speed enthusiasts who crave adrenaline on the water. With its bold design and race-inspired graphics, the Spartan SR stands out both in appearance and capability. Powered by the Volinion VXL6's marine brushless system, it unleashes blistering speeds of over 50 mph, delivering thrilling acceleration and control that push the boundaries of what's possible in RC boating. Its sleek, aerodynamic deep V hull is precision-engineered for hydrodynamic efficiency, allowing the boat to cut cleanly through choppy water with impressive stability. The reinforced hull construction, made from high-strength materials, ensures durability even in aggressive water conditions. Cooling systems for both the motor and ESC help manage thermal loads during high-speed runs, prolonging performance and reliability. The Spartan SR also comes equipped with a high-torque, waterproof steering servo and a shaft-driven propeller system that ensures smooth, responsive handling at any speed. Its 2.4 GHz TQI radio system provides long-range, interference-free control with optional telemetry capabilities via the Traxxas Link app, allowing users to monitor performance metrics in real time. The boat's battery tray is designed to fit dual 3S LiPo packs, maximizing power delivery while maintaining balance and structural integrity. With attention to detail in every component, from the low-profile hatch secured with quick-release latches to the high-performance rudder and trim tabs, the Traxxas Spartan SR offers hobbyists an elite boating experience where power, precision, and durability converge. Whether racing across a lake or carving through waves, it delivers an exhilarating ride that redefines expectations in the RC boating world. Number 4. The Proboat Recoil 2. 18E is a compact yet high-performance deep V RC speedboat that offers an exciting blend of power, agility, and convenience, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. Ready to run straight. Out of the box, it comes equipped with a potent, water-cooled Spectrum 2950 kV brushless marine motor paired with a 30A ESC, allowing it to hit speeds of over 25 mph while delivering around 7 minutes of runtime on the included smart 3S 1300 mAh LiPo battery. What sets the Recoil 2 apart is its innovative self-righting system, activated by a long press on the Spectrum SLT3 transmitter that flips the boat upright if it capsizes, ensuring uninterrupted action on the water. Its sleek ABS hull, available in bold heatwave and shreddy liveries, features deep V styling and comes loaded with performance upgrades like adjustable stainless steel trim tabs, an aluminum prop strut, and a breakaway rudder for added impact protection. Included with the boat are a Spectrum SLT3 radio system with SR315 dual protocol receiver, waterproof micro servo, USB-C smart charger, display workstand, and all necessary batteries, making it a truly all-in-one package for lake and pond adventures. Compact but incredibly capable, the Recoil 218 delivers thrilling brushless speed, impressive durability, and plug-and-play simplicity in a stylish, performance-tuned design. Number 3. The Proboat Jetream stands out as a powerhouse in the RC boating world, combining scale realism with rugged, high-performance capabilities that make it a compelling subject for a 7-minute video showcase. Measuring 24 inches long and built at 1/6 scale, this jet boat is powered by a water-cooled brushless system paired with a high-performance jet pump, complete with adjustable nozzle trim and a reverse gate, allowing for agile, realistic maneuvering, even in water as shallow as 2 inches. Its ABS composite hull is fortified with armor-plated nylon skids and an aluminum wear ring, making it tough enough to handle rocky streams and lake wakes with ease. Visually, the Jetream is a showstopper, featuring authentic scale details, such as a roll cage roof rack, a cockpit with a posable Blake Wilkie-inspired driver figure, simulated speakers, and fully functional LED light bars at both the front and rear. The innovative SSL, strap slide lock, quick swap battery tray makes changing out 14.8V 4S LiPo packs fast and efficient, minimizing interruptions during intense runs. Equipped with a Spectrum SLT3 radio system and waterproof servos, the Jetream ensures precise control even in the harshest environments. With striking licensed liveries like Shreddy and Mojo H2O adding bold personality and optional CNC upgrades available for customization, the Jetream delivers unmatched performance, toughness, and cinematic appeal, making it a natural fit for a dynamic and engaging video experience. Number 2. The Proboat Sonic Wake V2 is a striking embodiment of scale speed and functional innovation, making it an ideal centerpiece for a 7-minute video that showcases raw performance, durability, and sharp design. With its robust 36-inch deep V hull molded from impact-resistant ABS, the Sonic Wake V2 tears across the water, powered by a water-cooled Spectrum, firmer 40x68 Minamami 1900 kV brushless motor, and a smart-ready 120A Marine ESC, effortlessly reaching speeds beyond 50 mph. Dual rudder water pickups ensure optimal cooling during intense runs, while its passive self-righting flood chamber system, cleverly integrated into the sealed canopy, automatically rights the boat in seconds without the need for electronic input, providing a seamless recovery from capsizes. Precision steering is enhanced by large turn fins, adjustable trim tabs, an oversized propeller strut, and an offset aluminum breakaway rudder, delivering tight, responsive control even in turbulent water conditions. Inside, the sleek canopy reveals an orderly layout, featuring an integrated receiver box, secure mounting posts for both ESC and motor, and generous space to accommodate twin 3S 5000 mAh LiPo batteries. Outfitted with the Spectrum SLT3 2.4 GHz radio system and dual protocol SR315 receiver, the Sonic Wake V2 is ready for seamless upgrades, while waterproof high-torque servos provide consistent performance under stress. Complete with a transmitter, stand, and charger included in the box, Number 1. The Diak 2104 is a sleek, brushless RC speedboat that delivers an impressive mix of speed, durability, and cinematic flair, perfect for anchoring an engaging 7-minute video. At the heart of its performance is a 2212 brushless motor, with some newer versions upgraded to a KV2850 variant, both equipped with efficient water cooling to propel the boat to speeds exceeding 30 mph. Whether skimming across pools or slicing through pond waves, the 2104's nimble acceleration and tight handling make it a visual standout. Its double-hatch ABS hull ensures strong waterproof protection, while the